Welcome to Curie Electronics. So, in workshop calculation and science for IT students, today we are going to learn about how to find the square root of a number. First, we will see what is square root. Then we will solve previous year few questions. So we have to find the square root of a number. Let's consider a number. Let A be a number. That means A can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any natural number. If you write, now A is a number. If you multiply A with A itself, A, what do we get? We get A square. We are multiplied with the same number. It is just like a 5 multiplied by 5. We will get 25. So A multiplied by A itself, we get A square. Now, if you want to find the square root of A, how do you find? Square, if you write like this, this is a square root. Square root of A square equal to 2. Actually, here 2 is there. But normally we won't write that 2. We will just write like this. Square root of A square equal to A. So we have A again. If you multiply A 3 times, what we get? We get A cube. Now if you want to, once you know A cube value, let me take 5. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 5 gives 25. 25 multiplied by 5, 125. So cube root of, if you want, once you know A cube and you want to find A, what do? We will take the cube root. Cube root of 3, okay? Cube root of A cube. That will give us A. So if you want, once you know 125, if you take the cube root of 125, we get 5. Like that, fourth root is there, fifth root is there. Okay. Now we can use a method called factorization to find the square root. Let's take a example problem. Find the square root of 1296. Sorry, 1296. We have to find the square root of 1296. What do? I use factorization method. First I will divide by 2. 6 times in 9, how many times? 4 times 16, 8 times. 3 times, 2 times, 4 times. I'm just dividing by 2. Again 2 times. What do we get? See, now it is 324. Actually, we know what is 18 square equal to 324. You should have a basic idea about the square. Then it will become very easy. Let's divide once more. 1 times 6. 324. I am dividing by 2. Once 12, 6, 2. 162. Again we can divide by 2. 81. 81, all of us know what is a square. What is 9 multiplied by 9 will give 81. Now 1296 equals what? 2 multiplied by 2. First 2, again 2 more are there. 2 multiplied by 2, 9 multiplied by 9. So from each pair of 2's or each pair of numbers, we will take one number out. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9. So 4 multiplied by 9. 4 9s are 36. So 36 is the square root of 1296. That is square root of 1296 equal to 36. Let's take another problem. Find the square root of a decimal number. Find the square root of 0.49. So it is a decimal number. So what do we do? This decimal number we can convert into a normal fraction. That already in the previous class we have learned. 0.49 equal to, how can I write it as a normal fraction? 49 upon 100. Right, we'll get 0.49. Now, what is 49? 7 multiplied by 7 equal to 49. What is 100? 10 multiplied by 10 equal to 100. Now, for each pair of number, one we will write 7 multiplied by 7, square root of 7 multiplied by 7 equal to 7. So 7 upon 10. So this is the answer, that is which is equal to 0.7. See, when you take the square root, the point is reduced by one. After the point, only one digit is there. You take square, value is having 2 digits. Now what we do, we will take some previous year questions. Now before going to previous year questions, I like to tell you, what if there is a non-perfect square? What do you do? Non-perfect square number. Like we can say, now first of all you should know about what is the square root of root 2. Root 2, this comes many times in electronics and electrical. Root 2 equal to 1.414. 2 digits sufficient to know. 1.414. And what about root 3? Root 3 equal to 1.73. Then what about root 5? Up to here, if you know, it is good. 2.23. This is better to by heart and by heart. Root 2, root 3, root 5. Now we have a number. Let's take a number. What number we can take? Root 27. It's not a perfect number. Square root of 5 equal to 25. No, square of 5 equal to 25. And square of 6 equal to 36. Now, what we can do when you get a non-square root, non-perfect number, it's not as perfect square number. Then what we can do, there is an equation called, see, you have to split this 27 like x plus y. X plus y. X plus or minus y. Okay. Which equals, we have to write its square root of x we have to write. This is a formula you have to use. Plus or minus y upon 2 root x. 2 root x. See, x is both places we are taking root s. Using this formula you can simplify. Let's take 27. Okay. 27 we can write it as square root of nearest square we will write it as. We can write it as 25 plus 2. Or 36 minus, we can take the number also, what gives 27. So here I am using square root of x plus y. So what square root of 25? I am applying this is as a x, this is y. Plus, as per the equation, y upon, that is what is y? 2 upon 2 multiplied by x. What is the x value here? 25. Now if we simplify, what we get, that is a root. What is root square root of 25? Square root of 25 equal to 5 plus 2 we can cancel it. 1 upon 5, that is 5 plus, what is 1 upon 5? 0.2. So we will get 5.2. 5.2. Let me check the calculator. That is square root of 27. I am getting 5.196. So it is approximately 5.2. It is correct. Now let's take a small number. Let's take 10. What to find the square root of 10? 10 no. We'll take what we can take. 14 we'll take. Find the square root of 14. How do you find? We apply the same equation. What equation? You have to apply this equation to get the, if it is a non-perfect square, it is a simple thing. It is better to remember this equation. Okay. Once you practice 2-3 problems, it will be very easy. Or square root of 14. You have to find what is the value of square root of 14. How do you find? We'll apply the same equation. Square root of x. How do I split? I will write it as, what is square root of 16? That is 4. So I'll write 16 minus 2. Now I am applying the equation, that is root x. This is a x and this is y. That is root x now. This is y. So here what do we write? Square root of 16 minus y, that is 2 upon, what we can write? 2 multiplied by 2 square root of 16. What we get? That is equal to 4 minus 2 again cancels, 1 upon 4. What is 1 upon 4? 1 upon 4, how do you find? 1 divided by 4. 0.10. 2 times 8. Remainder 2. 5 times 0.25. That is, we get 4 minus 0.25, which comes to 3.75. So 3.75 is the answer. Let me check with calculator once. 14 equals to 3.7416. So it is approximately 3.75. So this is how you find if the number is non-perfect. Now let's move to some previous year questions. These questions are simple. Find the square root of 15376. 15376. We can start dividing by 2. 7 will get 7, remainder 113, then 13 6 times, again remainder 117 8 times, and 16 again 8 times. We'll get 7688. Divide by 2. If we divide by 2, this we get 3844. Again, if we divide by 2, 1922. Again, if we divide by 2, what we get? 961. Now, once you get 961, you should know the basic score table. Okay, 961. Square root of 30. Square of 30 equal to 30 multiple square of 30 equal to 900. So square of 31 equal to 961, because you have to save the time. So then we can, it is 31 multiplied by 31 gives 961. Now what we do? We take pairs of numbers, that is square root of, let me write the number itself first. 15376 equals what? It is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 31 multiplied by 31. Now we'll take the pair of numbers. 1 from the pair, that is 2 multiplied 2 from here, another 2 from here, 2 again 31. So 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 31. What is the value? So 124. How do I 4 30s are 120. 4 ones are 4. So 124. So 124 is the answer for this question. Actually in the question they are given the options. I did not write the options here. Okay, next question. Simplify. Okay, let me 0.0625 minus square root of 0.0169. So I'll write it here once more. It is 0.0625 minus square root of 0.0169, which equals this the first number, that is I can write it as 625 from decimal fraction to normal fraction, 10,000, minus 169 upon 10,000. Right. Now what is the square root of 625? It is 25. 25 multiplied by 25, you will get 625. What is the square root of 10,000? That is 100. 100 multiplied by 100, you will get 10,000. What is the square root of 169? That 13. 13 multiplied by 13, you will get 169. Again here it is 10,000, not 1000, 10,000. Again we will get 100. Now we can put 0.25 minus 0.13. What we get? That is, we can write it 0.25 minus 0.13. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So it is 0.12. 0.12 is the answer. This is a MCQ, but options I did not write it. Okay. So let's solve the next question. Find the value of square root of 144 upon 625. This is very simple. Now it's simple for you. Correct. That is 144 upon 625 inside square root. So 144, what is 12 multiplied by 12 equal to 144. If you don't know the square root, you have to use the factorization method. It is better to learn the table up to 25. 25 multiplied by 25 equal to 625. If you take the square root of this, which is equal to 12 upon 25. That's simple. Question number 4. Find the value of 196 upon 225. So 196 upon 225 inside the square root. So which equals 14 multiplied by 14 upon 15 multiplied by 15, and it is in the square root. So it comes to 14 upon 15. So this is the answer. 14 upon 15 is the answer. So you should know the basic. What is the square root of up to 10 you will be knowing. 11. 11 square equal to 121. 12 square equal to 144. 13 square equal to 169. 14 square equal to 196. 15 square equal to 225. 16 square equal to 256. 17 square equal to square. Okay, all these are squares. 17 square equal to 289. 18 square equal to 324. 19 square equal to what? 361. 20 square equal to 400. Like this up to 25, it's better to know. Okay, let's solve the last question. With this, the basic square root record for you is finished. Oh, now already you know. It's a very simple question. What is the square root of 625? What is the square root of 625? We can write 625 equal to 25 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 25 is the answer. If you want to use the factorization method, what do? We don't know how to find. We don't remember at all. Then we will divide by 5. What you'll get once, one remainder. Then next number when it comes, it's 12. 12, 2 times. Again remainder 2, 25, 5 times. Again we will divide by 5. We get 25. What do? 5, 5. Now 625 equals 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So we will take one number from each pair. So it is 5 multiplied by 5, which comes to 25. I hope these videos are helpful to you. If so, please share with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. Next we have to learn a topic proportion. So the next lecture is going to be on proportions. Thanks for watching.